Welcome back students to the physics lab. Today I am going to discuss the experiment, that is to find the density of a substance, density of a body. The body may be any rectangular body, there may be spherical body or any irregular body you can have. You can find the density of that body. For finding the density, what are the apparatus required for that? Any regular or irregular body, the measuring cylinder or the measuring beaker for measuring the volume, and then the spring balance for measuring the mass of the body, the stand at which you will hang the spring balance for measuring the mass, and the thread with which the body is to be tied. For finding the density of the substance, you know the formula for density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. It is the ratio of mass and volume. You will find the mass of the object with the help of the spring balance, and you will find the volume with the help of the measuring cylinder. So write M for the mass and V for the volume, and the unit is, SI unit is kilogram per meter cube, or in CGS system the unit will be gram per centimeter cube. Now first of all you have to calculate the mass using the measuring cylinder, and then the volume of that body using the, this is by spring balance and this is by measuring cylinder. Now I show you, this is the device known as the spring balance. Here you will hang the weight and it will move like this, and you can measure the mass of the object. With the help of this you can measure the mass. These readings are shown to you. I will explain it in detail. And the second apparatus is, that is the measuring beaker. This beaker, the reading is shown. This is from 10 ml to 100 ml, and at present it is having the initial volume of this water inside it is 40 ml, and we will measure by using this measuring beaker. You have to now first measure the least count of these two devices which I have shown to you. In the spring balance, if you observe, the spring balance is like this. Inside the spring balance here is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 20, 30, like this. Now you can see between 0 to 10 there are 5 divisions. So you can write 5 divisions is equal to 10 gram. And what about 1 division? 1 division is 10 by 5. This is equal to 2 gram. It means if your pointer is here at the third division, it means the value is 6 gram. If it is on the fourth division, the value is 8 gram, like this. So this 2 gram is the least count. Now you can see in this apparatus, this is, you can see here, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can observe here. So the least count is 2 gram. You can write here, the least count of spring balance is 2 gram. It means 1 division is equal to 2 gram. And similarly for the beaker, you can see here are the 5 divisions, and 5 divisions are equal to 10 ml. So again you can write, this is for the spring balance, you can write 5 division is equal to 10 ml, and 1 division is equal to 10 by 5, that is equal to 2 ml. So the least count is 2 ml. What do you mean by least count now? The least count is the smallest division. You can, and this is the smallest reading on the scale which can be measured, known as least count. Okay, now we will perform the experiment. Let us start with the experiment. This device is the spring balance, and now you are able to see that the pointer here is at 0, so you are having 0 error in this device. And for measuring the mass, I have two objects here. One is this spherical bob and second is this cuboidal shape body. So you are going to measure the mass. For measuring the mass, you have to hang the spring balance on the stand, and then you have to hang this body slowly on this spring balance. Now you are able to see when I am going to release this, then the spring balance is having some reading, and you can see the weight of this object here. You can see the pointer is at, this is 60 gram, and after 60 gram is 1 division, and I have told you the 1 division is equal to 2 grams. So this is showing the weight of this object as 62 grams. You can see here that it is next division after this 60. So this is 62 gram. The mass of this cuboid is 62 gram. You will write in your readings, in your observation, the mass of this rectangular object. Now again you measure the mass of this spherical bob. Hang this spherical bob slowly, and you are observing that here is some reading on the scale here, and you can observe that after 20 you are having 1, 2, third division. After 20 the third division is, and one more thing, you have to observe the values exactly normally from here. So this value is 26 gram. So the mass of this bob is 26 gram. Note down in your observations on the blackboard. I am writing these values here. Write the mass of the bob, that was 26 gram, and of the cuboid, that was 62 gram. Now find the volume for both, for the bob as well as for the cuboid. Let us find the volume. Now hang this bob with the help of a thread and gently place this bob inside the water. First check the initial reading from here. The initial volume is 40 ml here, and now see the change when I am placing this bob inside the liquid. Keep it at the bottom. Now you can see that some change is in the volume. Now note down the reading here. The reading is, it is at the, just a minute, I should check it. That is the next digit after 40, and I have told you that the least count of this beaker is 2 ml. Initial reading was 40 ml and the final reading is 42 ml. Now note down these two readings in your notebook. Initial volume 40 ml and final volume as 42 ml. The difference is 2 ml, and that difference in the volume reading gives you the volume of this spherical bob. And now similarly find the volume of this cuboidal body. For this, again check the initial reading. Initial reading is again at 40 ml, and now place gently this bob in the liquid, and you will see that the water level rises. Keep it gently in water, and the water level rises, and you can observe the reading of this water level, that is about 48. This is 40 at fourth division. At the fourth division after 40, So you can say this is for 48 and this is 50. So the final volume is 48 ml and the initial volume was 40 ml. Note down these readings and calculate the density. Now let us calculate the density. If we talk about the bulb, we have the final reading that was 42 ml and the initial reading that was 40 ml. So the volume is 2 ml and the density of bulb that is the mass was 26 gram and the volume is 2, that is 13 gram per milliliter, or you can say 13 gram per centimeter cube. And similarly for the block, for the cuboid, the final volume minus initial volume. Final volume was 48, initial volume 40, so this is 8 ml. And the density will be, mass was 62 and the volume is 8. So the density will be 6.3 gram per centimeter cube or milliliter. So you can find the density of a substance in this way. Note down all these parameters, all these values are important for you. Note